Well, this afternoon Auto-Care we've had a Transit Connect in for the suspected seized engine. As we've got it up on the ramp, it is a 2012 1.8 diesel Transit Connect. As you can see, where the engine was, there's now a big hole. Still up on the ramp. So there's the engine block, gearbox and clutch and timing cover and a few other different bits and bobs what we've took off. Cylinder head. Now these normally 90% of the time, due to lack of maintenance, do the wet belt, which is there, and as we can see on this one, it's actually still got all of its teeth. It's still timed up, still under tension, but the engine is locked up solid, strangely on top dead centre, which is a bit weird. You can see around this side, the actual flywheel bolts have been scuffing on the inside of the clutch. There's our rocker box, and as we can see by that sludginess in there, that's what happens for lack of maintenance. So this engine has just seized up because the oil is not oil anymore, it's just kind of sludge. So that has not been doing absolutely anything. It's just absolutely bolted in this sludgy black oil, which, as we can see in here, let's get a little scoop of that. That's definitely not 530 no more. So we can safely say this engine's knackered, and it definitely needs either a new one or a good rebuild, but it's not going to be running tonight.